All right, Green Bay memorabilia collectors. This is the video to find our mini winners for the Rogers, excuse me, Rogers Authentic Chrome that will be signed in October. We'll check the time, September 8th at 1:36 p.m. I'm going to go over, back down to the bottom here. There we go, back down there and type live. And we've got September 8th at 1:36 p.m. There's the list of our 42 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top three after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Steve, Shane, Jason. You are our winners of the mini. So Steve, you will get first pick of the spots in the main. So if you want to comment on the main and take your spots, and then Shane, you'll be second, and then Jason, you will get the remainder. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, September 8th, 1:37 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.